Improve production efficiency and continuously perform welding tasks. Reduce labor costs the number of operators. Improve welding quality, ensuring consistency in high-quality welds. Adapt to complex workpieces and perform multi-axis motion to complete complex welding. Improve job safety while working in hazardous environments. Improve consistency and repeatability, ensuring every welding job is the same. Improve flexibility and adapt to different welding tasks with simple procedures. Overall, automatic welding robots help improve the efficiency, quality, and safety of manufacturing by addressing the above needs.